Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can edit, update Europass cover letter step by step. So let's start. As you can see, this is my cover letter that we created in the last video. In this video we will learn how we can edit, update this cover letter step by step. As you know, if you want to apply for another company, for sure we need to update the person information, the address. Maybe if you want to edit your information, you need to edit the subject line. Maybe you need to update some information in the body because maybe you want to add some information, you want to remove some information in the future, so you can do that. You can edit, update this letter online step by step. So let's start. Open your browser, just write here Europass CV and open your Europass home website. Open the official website, scroll down and click on create cover letter. After that, you have several options to edit or create a new cover letter. If you click on create new cover letter, you can create a new cover letter from scratch as we did in the last video. If you want to create a new cover letter, you can watch our last video. If you want to edit, update your cover letter, simply click on import Europass cover letter and select file and open your cover letter and click on save. As you can see, my cover letter is imported here. Right now, as you can see, this is my information. For example, if I want to edit my information, click on edit and you can change what you want. You can change anything. If you want to change number, email and so on, and click on save. For example, if you want to change the information that the person information you want to send this letter, you can change this information, the name, maybe address, maybe the company name, city and so on, and click on save. If you want to change the subject, you can change and click on save. If you want to change this information, dear Mr. Smith and so on, if you want to change information in the body, you can change whatever you want. You can add some information, remove some information, and you can do it easily and click on save. And you can change your closing and you can write your name here. You can upload a new signature and click on save. It's done now. It's quite simple. You can edit, update everything you want and click on next. As you can see, is already here, and you can change the template. For example, I like this template and I will try to select the color for my cover letter, and I also can choose the small text. I can also add the page number, as you can see, and I will click on next. As you can see, my cover letter is ready. Now I can give my cover letter name, cover letter new, and I will click on download. As you can see, my cover letter is ready. It's a new template, new design, new style, and it's quite simple. As you can see, my old cover letter and this is new. So it's quite simple. In few steps, in few minutes, you can edit, update your cover letter with new template, with new text, with new style. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.